What's up, guys? What's up, my people? What's up, traders? What's up, millionaires? I want to share a tool that has transformed my trading game as a Forex millionaire. All right, a tool that has completely transformed my trading game as a 10-year experienced Forex millionaire. And just to show you guys how that tool has changed my game, I'm going to be showing you guys live results, how to use that tool, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how to get it for free, because I have paid developers to put it on my website and make it free for all my audience. I now have the biggest YouTube channel in Africa in the niche of Forex trading and in the niche of finance. We are heading to 1 million subscribers very soon. So because of that, because of the love, I'm bringing these tools totally for free for you guys. Now, let's listen. When it comes to trading, your strategy is very, very important. But what will give you an edge over the market is called risk and money management. Warren Buffett always say, it is not how much you make when you are right, but how much you lose when you are wrong. So capital preservation is very, very, very paramount when it comes to trading. So which tool? The one tool you need to be able to calculate the risk you risk on any trade, or the money you will risk on any trade. So if you want to claim what I said at the start of the video, like my Forex millionaires, make sure you smash the like button on the video, click that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Let's get into the video. I'm just going to give you one example, then from that one example, I'm going to then show you guys the tool. When it comes to this particular tool on calculating your risks, the most important thing you'll be calculating is the lot size you can use on a particular trade, so that you can only risk a particular percentage of your account. All right, just as I just mentioned, capital preservation is paramount when it comes to trading. So let's just assume you have a $100,000 pro forma account and you're trading, say, USD JPY. And maybe your stop loss is, maybe you're going to be risking 30 pips to go for maybe 60 pips, or to go for maybe 30. Maybe you're going for a 1:1 risk to reward, or maybe a 1:2 risk to reward is left to you. The risk to reward, the reward on the trade is not too important. What we are so concerned about is the risk on the trade. So you already know your stop loss, you already know the asset you are trading, you already know your account size. Now, what is the lot size you can use on that particular trade, so that if the trade doesn't go your way, you can only lose a particular percentage of your account. Nothing more than that. I've seen situations, particularly in Gulf University, where a student will say, oh, I wanted to risk just 1% on this account, but at the end of the day, I can see my account on -2% or -3%. That's because you didn't have the right tool to calculate the correct lot size. If you say you want to risk 1% on that trade, if that trade doesn't go your way, if I check your P&L, I should see -1%, nothing more than that. And this tool is going to help you. When it comes to trading, whether you like it or not, you're going to have losers. You're going to have losers, you're going to blow account. It is your ability to understand your risk management, understand your money management, and the psychology of a winning trader that's going to give you an edge at the end of the day. So we need 4 things. The website we're going to be talking about, let me just pull this up so that we see. We need the trading calculator, which you can use to calculate all assets, and the calculator is very, very flexible. So just go on your browser and type Godlove University. The link is on the video description. All right, click on enter. Boom, you're going to see the #1 page right there. So click on the #1 page, or the #1 website that pops up, and here we go. We have Godlove University. Everything you need to succeed as a Forex trader is here. If you are looking for a complete A to Z beginner to pro course that's going to teach you on how to trade the Forex market, I have it right here, mentored by myself. If you want to use Patrick's Pro, which is the 3-year in a row award-winning Forex robot, you can still check it there. One-on-one service. You can actually book a one-on-one service with me. If you want me to guide you, show you exactly what is working, maybe you've tried a lot of things, then go there. You can book it directly right there. Maybe you want to earn while you learn, then the Signal service is still there for you guys to enroll in the Signal service. But the link you have to click is the trading calculator. So click on it. There you go. It's already open. Website is very fast. When you click on it, obviously they will ask for your email address. This is to verify that you're not a robot. So you need to just pass this stage. Just put your email address. I'm going to put my email Demaze. Then I'm just going to type my email very quick. I'm just going to blur it. golov@gmail.com. That is it. Boom. You just click there. Look at that. Let's prosper together. You just click on back to website and boom. Here you can calculate margin calculation, profit calculation, position size calculation, pip value, and position size price. What we're interested is the lot size. And for you to go to the section where you'll be able to calculate the lot size, click on position size pips. Position size pips. Click there and boom. Once you already feed these details, that's where you're going to be able to calculate the particular lot size. Remember, our goal here is we need to be able to calculate what? The lot size, so that we can only risk a particular percentage of our account. So we need 4 things. Let's go to trading view, and these are the 4 things we need right here. All right, these are the 4 things we need. I'm just going to copy it and put it on another slide. Since let's copy it and look for another trading opportunity, and then we're going to use it right there. So let me just quickly browse through this. Let's look for a trading opportunity, and then I'm going to actually show you good. So I'm already seeing a buy opportunity right here. You can see we already have a cross in our moving average, and then the market is pulling back. If I have to plot fibs from year to year, this should be around the 38% level. So this is a key buy signal on Great Britain pound JPY. So if I bring in my risk calculator, my risk to reward 2, and I plot, I just put it there. Then I want my stop loss to stand somewhere here at around 35 pips. So I want to risk 35 pips and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So I just drag this. Boom, that's it. Risk to reward of 1:2. So you need 4 things. Those 4 things you need, I'm just going to post it on my screen so that you can see. Number one, you need to know the asset. So in our case, what is the asset? The asset is Great Britain pound JPY. So let's just fix that. So you use this same formula. Just copy the same thing, put it on your book or your journal. Anytime you're trading, this is what you need. Number 2, you need to know the account size. So let's assume we are trading with a 100K profit account. That's number 2. Number 3, you need to know the stop loss in pips. So stop loss in pip, what is our stop loss in pips? 35 pips. Remember, I just showed you guys, is 35 pips. And then you need to know percentage risk per trade. How many percent do you want to risk on that trade? I want us to risk 1%. As a goal in Golov University, we never press buy or sell if we're going to be risking at most, or at least we don't risk more than 2% in our trade, and we always go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So that even if we have a 40% win rate, let's just say you're the most unluckiest person alive, we'll still be able to make money at the end of the day. So that is it. That is it. Lot size. What we need now, that's why I say lot size, question. Because we don't know that particular lot size, and we are going to calculate right now. So just quickly go back to our tool. Remember, it was Great Britain pound JPY. So you have currency pair, account size, currency, and you just need to feed these details. Currency pair, Great Britain pound JPY. Just press Great Britain and you see, just scroll down, you see Great Britain pound JPY is right there. Account currency is USD. Account size, remember, let's assume we have a $100,000 profit account. But if you are trading with your $6,000 profit account, or your $5,000, your $50,000 in account size, just come there and replace. Risk per trade, we're risking 1%, so we're going to replace that with 1%. And then what is the stop loss in P? After you feed all these details, make sure you confirm everything is correct and it follows those 4 steps. Number one, the asset, we have Great Britain pound JPY. The account size, $100,000 or whatever account size you're trading with. Number 2 or number 3, percentage risk, we're risking 1%, stop 35, and then you just click on calculate. Okay, so sometimes the website might be loading, but that is it. So amount at risk, $1,000, which is equal to what? 1% of our account. So if you see there anything different, it means you didn't put it correctly. So when you click on calculate, you can see here we have amount at risk $1,000, which is 1% of our account, and then sizing stands for the lot size, meaning with the account size of $100,000, with the risk of 1%, and with that stop loss, this is the lot size we can use so that if the market doesn't go our way, or if the price doesn't go as predicted, we only lost 1% of our account. So the lot size is there. Then now you can quickly just, for example, I'm just going to pull MT5. I'm actually going to take this trade. Let's take this trade. I like that trade. I like that trade. I'm not going to lie. I like that trade. So let's take it. Oh, this is actually a funded account. You can see we've got funded trader, but we're going to talk more on that on our subsequent video. I actually have a trade up and running, but let me just pull. We're going to take that trade live. We're going to take this trade. I like it. Great Britain Pound JPY chart window. I'm just going to put our template on it right there, and then let's minimize it. Good. What was the lot size again? Let's go and copy the lot size. Our lot size is 4.2. So 4.2, let's put it right there. 4.2. Normally I just round it down because you can see it's 4.21. If it was 4.26, I'll round it down to 4.3. So that's why I have now 4.2. Then I click on buy. Boom. It's asking me to confirm one click trading. Click on OK. Boom. Buy. Now, the trade is already placed. This is what you guys need to pay attention. You have now your stop loss at what? You have your stop loss at 35 pips. But here in MetaTrader 5, it is measured in terms of points. So 35 pips is equal to 350 points. So you need to put 350. And then remember, we're going for a risk to reward of 1:2, meaning our take profit is 70 pips, which is equal to 700 points. So in most cases, I like just adding 2 pips. So it's 720 points. That is it. You can see that's our stop loss, that's our take profit. Let's see how it goes on that particular trade. So you can see that's how you calculate the lot size. Or you want us to take another trade. Let's see if we can find another opportunity. Let's see if we can find another opportunity so that we can calculate the lot size again to make it more relatable. This is another opportunity I'm seeing right here, but I already have a trade on Great Britain Pound, so I don't want to take another one just now. So this is actually a good opportunity. We can enter here on Euro JPY, but let's just go to another one. Euro AD, can't see a setup, I'm just looking for, all right. USD CHF, I'm beginning to see a setup right here, but it's not actually what I wanted. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit because if the next candle close bullish, that's what I'm going to be looking for, a signal. So I'm going to play the waiting game a little bit on that one. This one as well, stay downtrend. ADCHF, let's see. ADJPY was popping. Okay, it's going to be crossing soon. Like I said, let's just wait. I'm only looking for A+ setups. A+ setups for this strategy. Wow, a lot of pairs are about to cross. Okay, Canadian dollar CHF, NZD USD. Okay, NZD card. When you've trained your eyes for years, sometimes it takes you seconds to analyze a chart because you already know what you're looking for. And if you can't see that thing, boom, you go to the next. So I can't actually see. Okay, let's see on Euro USD. Euro USD, okay, that's actually crossed. So if you can pull back and close bearish, that's when we'll be looking to take a trade. USD JPY, I actually like this. It has crossed, but if you can just push back a little bit, before we're going to be entering a trade. The cross was confirmed right here. So we're just going to play the waiting game a little bit again. So let's take the last one, guys. Let's take it. I can see this Great Britain Pound cut. I can see this. Remember, the cross was here. If we plot our fib from year to year, this is actually our fib level. So we haven't, the cross hasn't happened, or the candle was supposed to close bullish to confirm, but it hasn't closed yet. So, but I'm very, very confident on this one. For the purpose of this video, let's take the last one, which is going to be a long position. We're going to enter right here. This one, my stop loss is going to be a little bit widened. I'm going to put my stop loss on 35 pips so that we can go for a risk to reward of 1:2. 1:2, because the candlestick hasn't closed yet, so that's why I'm putting on 35 pips. Okay, 1:2 is going to be, this is going to be a long trade. So I'm actually risking 35 pips on Great Britain pound card as well. And we already know the account size. We already know everything. So let's just quickly go here. We change the currency pair to Great Britain pound card. Great Britain pound card is going to be right here. This is it. And then 35 pips, bam, and then we click on calculate. Boom. So just click again. Click again. Okay, that's the lot size 3.9. 3.9. We quickly go back to trading view, to MetaTrader 5 and open Great Britain pound card. Great Britain pound card. That's it. Great Britain pound card is there. And then we're just going to quickly put, I like changing the template from this default to mine that I've set up. And then let's push it a little bit here. And what was the lot size again? The lot size was 3.9. 3.9. 3.9. Click on buy. That's it. You can see all our other positions are in profit. So let's go to modify. 35, that is it. And then take profit is 72. So that's it. Those are all our positions, and all our positions are already in profit. So that is it, guys. That's how, so long as I've already placed this trade, that is it. I walk away from my computer. I'm risking 1% per trade, and I've already told myself that, okay, if at the end of the day, all these 3 trades don't go my way, then I'm going to be fine. I'm going to be totally fine to risk 3% of my account. I'm going to be totally fine to let 3% go. And if they all go my way, then I'll make 6%. Even if I have by the 50% win rate, or just a 30% win rate, I will still be making money, or at most I'll be break even. Let's just say I come and I hit 2 TPs. 2 TPs, I'm going to make 4% of my account, then I lost 1, so I'm going to make 4 and lost 1%. So I'm going to end the day with plus 3%. If I come and I hit 1 TP and 2 stop losses, I'm going to make 2% and lost 2%. So it's break even. But if I come and I hit 3 TPs, I'm going to make 6%. So you see, the probability, you need sometimes do the probability to see where you're standing, to see if the odds are on your side. But that is it, guys. That's the tool you're going to be able to use to calculate your lot size so that you can trade precisely like this. Remember, I promised you guys at the start of the video that I was going to be giving 3 students, 3 lucky traders. I'm going to be giving 3 lucky traders access to Golov University. I'm going to be paying $1,200 to get 3 students into Golov University, because even though the monthly subscription starts at just $125, the yearly subscription goes at $1,200. So I'm going to be giving 3 students 100% paid scholarship. I'm going to pay the scholarship for them to get them in Golov University and train them personally. On how to make money in the Forex market. There's only 3 things you need to do. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, leave your thoughts about this particular tool, and share the video to at least 5 people on your contact. Let other people know about this free tool, guys. Let other people know about this free tool. Let them know they don't need to buy it anywhere. You are helping people by spreading the news. So share it to at least 5 people, comment your thought, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and in a couple of days, maybe in 2 days, I'll come again on live and I'll do the live spin to pick 3 lucky winners, and they'll get access to Golov University. Remember, Golov University, you graduate with what? You graduate with a $5,000 profit account. Look at the payout I got from a very small account. Imagine starting with a small account and you're getting verified. These are verified payout from IC Funded. You can go and check it out. When I was trading on this account, I shared the investor password and people could follow me throughout the journey. So you graduate with a $5,000 profit account. You can see the whole in Golov University. You can start with the monthly, the quarterly, or the yearly. Take your time, go through the website. The course is divided into 3 undergraduate, masters, and PhD. Everything you need to succeed in the field. This is a nice certificate you're going to be getting. If you go to the bank with this certificate, you're going to be getting the job, because we are accredited to give you the knowledge. That's a beautiful certificate right there. That's our merch. So there's a lot on the website. You can see there's a Discord community you're going to join with 5,000 other private students in Gulf University. If you want to see testimonials, you come here. We put testimonials the way they are. We just take screenshots of the testimonials and we leave it there, because anyone can just go on their website and type fake testimonials. So we put the testimonials the way they are, showing the students' names so that you can even ask them yourself. So the website is there. Check it out, guys, if you want to enroll in Gulf University. And if you're looking to see if you qualify for the scholarship, follow the instructions, and I'm wishing you guys luck. Check out the links on the video description to check my recommended brokers, the same brokers I'm trading, which you need to be trading with, to check all my recommended prop firms, to check my free Telegram community. You need to be part of my free Telegram community because I do share free update. Also check out the 4 years in a row award winner robot Perps Pro, which the links are on the video description. I'm going to leave this other video, so check this other video. Immediately check this other video, which still explains a lot about risk management. I prepared this playlist for you. Go check them out, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.